This is the kit. I got this because it was a few more bucks and it came with the hose and pretty much it seems like everything you need to get started. So this was at Walmart. I think I paid $76 for it. So this is what it looks like. It's got a sweet little handle. Comes with your hose. Sweet styrofoam. A little bit of plumber's tape, so you might need to put that on. And a few different attachments. So kind of the basics to get started. So it's pretty self-explanatory. We're just going to plug this in. Alright, so the first thing we noticed about the Hyper Tough is this little, that's your little handle there for your grip. This is pretty whack. I mean, you get what you pay for. It was 76 bucks. It works. We pumped up the Gorilla Cart. This thing was just hard to hold on there. It did work. It just kind of took a little longer. It's loud. All air compressors are loud. And it was a little slower than I thought it would be, but I think the majority of that was because this is the pump it came with. This thing was wiggling around a lot. So other than that, pretty cool little unit for 76 bucks.